Welcome back, grammarians. I'm Miss Jessie. Today, we'll learn about a confusing grammar rule that governs one use of the words may and might. You might already know that might is the past tense of may, as seen in these examples. Yesterday, Emily thought she might go grocery shopping. It would seem pretty strange to say, yesterday, Emily thought she may go grocery shopping. Do you notice that the second sentence sounded wrong? You may also already know that may is used when asking for permission, as you can see from the oft-repeated version of Oliver Twist's famous query. Please, sir, may I have some more? But today, we want to understand another important distinction between may and might. And it's easy! Use may when the likelihood of what will be done is high. For instance, because Kevin finished his homework, he may just have enough time to watch the extended version of Lord of the Rings: The Two Towers. Here, we see that it's pretty likely Kevin will have time for the movie. If he can sit through 4 straight hours of battle scenes, that is. However, if it's unlikely Kevin will have time to watch the entire extended version, and let's be real, he probably won't if it's a school night, then we'll want to use the word might, as you see here. Because Kevin finished his homework, he might have enough time to watch Lord of the Rings, but I wouldn't count on it. It's simple. Use may when it will probably happen, and use might when it probably won't. Now that you've learned this easy grammar rule, you may just be able to impress your teachers. Until next time, everybody!